Easy tiramisu recipe with a special chef's secret. The best way to impress your friends and family. You only need 3 high-quality, fresh eggs, plus 500 grams of Italian mascarpone, a vanilla pod from Madagascar, or organic vanilla extract, good quality of brown and coconut sugar, and Italian Savoiardo lady fingers, and good quality Italian coffee. Here's what you'll need to make 4 to 6 tiramisu glasses. And of course, we also have a secret ingredient. I'll reveal that a little later when I make it. Chapter 1. Let's start with the coffee. For this recipe, you'll need approximately around 300-400 milliliters of coffee, prepared with a home or professional espresso machine or espresso capsules, or a classic mocha pot. Keep in mind that the exact amount depends on how much the ladyfingers absorb the coffee. Once the coffee's done, let's let it cool to room temperature while we prepare the special cream for the tiramisu. Chapter 2. Let's grab 2 bowls to separate our eggs. Carefully divide the yolks from the whites, and make sure no yolk gets into the whites. This is super important for the cream to whip properly later. Now using an electric mixer, because doing this by hand would take forever. Beat the egg yolks on high speed. Gradually add about 40 grams of our coconut sugar and organic brown sugar blend. Keep mixing on high speed for a full 20 minutes. This is crucial. It's the secret to that ultra-special cream texture. See how it transforms? You want it super thick, fluffy, and able to hold its shape. And now, let's set the bowl aside and measure our mascarpone precisely. You'll need 550 of high-quality Italian mascarpone for this recipe. With your mixer on low speed, gently blend it in. Gradually add the mascarpone with the mixer on low speed. Patience is key for that silky smooth texture. After fully incorporating all mascarpone, about 8 minutes, add the vanilla pod. Normally half a pod suffices, but since this one's small, I'm using it whole. If substituting vanilla extract, use just 2 to 3 drops. After mixing a little longer until the cream thickens, cover it with foil or plastic wrap, then refrigerate to rest while you prepare the whipped egg white foam. It's essential to wash the mixer beaters thoroughly before whipping the egg whites. They must not be contaminated with cream or egg yolk, otherwise the fat will prevent the whites from forming stiff peaks. At maximum speed, gradually pour in the coconut sugar and brown sugar mixture while continuing to mix. Whip for 10-15 minutes until stiff, glossy peaks form. Look at that! All that patient whipping pays off with this perfect cream. The ultimate test? Invert the bowl. If the cream stays put, no sliding, no shifting, that's perfection. Now let's bring back that mascarpone cream we prepared earlier. We'll gently combine both creams together, and remember, cooking with love makes all the difference. Now with the mixer on medium speed, gently fold in the whipped egg whites into the mascarpone cream. Go slow, and note, you likely won't need all the whites. With practice, you'll learn exactly how much to add for your perfect consistency. Remember, tiramisu cream is an art. It needs few ingredients, but a careful hand. For my taste today, I'm using only about half. Chapter 3, The Secret. The flavor magic. A touch of alcohol. Just 2 to 3 drops transforms your tiramisu cream, but the type and quantity matter. Go light. Classic choices, sweet Marsala wine or Di Saronno for almond notes. Or experiment with rum, sambuca, brandy, or cognac. Gently mix in those drops and let the magic begin. Chapter 4. While modern tiramisu often comes as a cake, the original was served in glasses, and that's our style today. Use 200-300 ml glasses for authenticity. Start with a thin base of cream. Add coffee-soaked lady fingers. Timing is everything when dipping lady fingers. A quick dip, just 1 to 2 seconds per side, keeps them from getting soggy or dry. Follow with another cream layer, slightly thicker than the base. Top with a final set of lady fingers. Verify each lady finger is evenly coffee-soaked. Snap one open to check. Arrange neatly for picture-perfect layers. Then crown it with a generous, smooth finish of cream. Gently spread the cream with your spoon, using slow, fluid strokes to minimize air bubbles. Our first tiramisu is complete. Notice those beautifully defined layers? Thanks to your steady hand spreading the cream, we've got minimal bubbles and perfect cohesion between cream and lady fingers. Perfect result. Now loosely cover each glass with plastic wrap, sealing it tightly around the rim, not touching the cream. This keeps air out while protecting the surface. Feel free to use any glasses you love, but here's the game changer. Freeze them at 12 degrees, 10 degrees, for 12 hours. This isn't just chilling. Refrigeration is important for many things, but for tiramisu, it's best to freeze it first. Then after 12 hours, move it to the fridge to thaw. Once thawed, it will be ready and perfect. But important, right before serving, add cocoa powder and decorate with a coffee bean if desired. Now it's ready to serve. Take a spoonful and taste. Absolute dessert perfection. Few ingredients, but the flavor is uniquely rich. Keep practicing, you'll only get better. Buon appetito, dear friends.